another kitchen quickie. We're having salad for dinner tonight. I want Asian chicken salad, and I recently made a video showing you how to make the sesame ginger dressing and the Asian chicken salad that I like. But Rick doesn't care for Asian chicken salad, but we always have grilled chicken, greens, an assortment of veggies, and I'm gonna make a Catalina dressing. Now, I mentioned this a long time ago that I was gonna make Catalina dressing, and I haven't done it yet, and a lot of people keep asking me, when are you gonna make that? So I'm gonna make it tonight. Super easy, and you really won't believe how easy it is. You won't ever want to buy it out of a bottle again. What I have in my beaker here, and you certainly don't have to do it like with an immersion blender. You can do this in your regular blender or your Vitamix, food processor. It'll work all the same. I have a 14-ounce can of tomato sauce, okay? And I try and get the plainest tomato sauce I can. Half a cup of sugar. Half a cup of vegetable oil. And this is sunflower oil. That goes in. And then you can just store this in a mason jar. And it keeps in your fridge. You use it in the next few weeks and it'll be great. And we want some apple cider vinegar. If I can get the top off of it. It's being a little stubborn. Okay. I'm going to start off with a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Now, I'm going to grab my emulsion blender. And it's like this. There you go. You want to taste this, honey?
That's it?
Yeah. Smells really good.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes just like Catalina dressing.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't it?
Yes.
Except this didn't come out of a bottle, and it doesn't have any crap in it. So look at that. Look it. It's beautiful. Delicious. And that is how you make homemade Catalina dressing. Super simple, super delicious, and I made my husband very happy. So, I hope you try this, and I hope you love it. Until next time, I'll see ya.